Hello everyone, I am George and this is Out of the Box Reviews. Not long ago we have reached 1000 subscribers, and to show my appreciation to all of you, I am giving away a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition camera to one lucky subscriber. Continue watching this video for details on how to enter the competition. Continuing the tradition of making excellent action cameras, GoPro's latest Hero 7 is simply outstanding and a must-have for anyone who wants to capture his favorite memories. From simple everyday moments to extreme sport movies, this camera is definitely for you. With a 12-megapixel sensor, real 4K resolution, shockproof and waterproof for up to 10 meters without the need of extra housing, this small camera is killing the competition. The retail black version includes the camera, of course, a bodyguard mount, a quick-release mount, 2 extra adhesive mounts, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and a couple of stickers. If you order it online from the GoPro website, they will also send you a free SD card. As soon as you pick up the camera, you can feel the excellence of the build quality. On the front, there is a status screen that displays the current settings, the lens cover is replaceable in case you scratch it, the on-off button on the right side also functions as a mode selection button, and the shutter button sits on the top. The camera has 3 multi-directional microphones and 1 speaker. The USB and HDMI ports are safely secured by a watertight latch-release door on the left side, while the battery and the SD card are safe inside the housing on the bottom of the camera. The real beauty for me here is the touchscreen. Vivid and highly responsive is the control center of the camera. From here you can adjust every aspect of your recording, from adjusting basic parameters such as resolution and frame rate to more advanced options such as white balance, shutter speed and voice commands. Think of it as having a full-spec professional DSLR camera but in pocket size. The recorded footage have bright, intense colors and the details are wonderful. And while some other cameras tend to heat up while using them for too long, the Hero 7 doesn't seem to mind. One other important feature is the hypersmooth stabilization technology used. Recording stable videos is essentially effortless without the need of a gimbal. The adjustable frame rate, topping at a high of 240 frames per second, will result in perfect slow-motion videos for all of you that want a more dramatic effect. If I could, I would talk all day about this little gem. But my conclusion is that if you're in the market for an action camera and you don't mind spending a little bit more money, then this is the best choice for you. As I mentioned before, I will be giving one of these away, so if you want to have a chance on getting it, then all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. On the 15th of August, a winner will be picked randomly from the comments, and his name will be announced in that week's video, so stay tuned to learn if you have won. This was Out of the Box Reviews, a big thank you to all of you for your support, and as always, thanks for watching.